हमें वो सब कुछ मिल जाता है जिसके हम लायक होते हैं. God wants to give people everything, but they should be deserving enough to get that thing. Everybody have dreams, and people leave their dreams as it is in the midway, or at the 90th percent, or at the 95%. They'll just leave it because they think that it is not possible, or maybe it is not for them, or maybe they are not talented enough to get that dream, or maybe they are not able to because of their responsibilities or whatever things they are blaming. They think that they are not able to reach their dream or to get what they want in their life, and they leave their dream as it is. But the main thing is, God only gives you what you dream when you are capable enough, when you are deserving enough to have that dream. But you should think this is so natural. Like driving, if you don't know how to ride a bike, God will never trust you with a bike. If you don't know how to drive a car, God will never trust you with a car. If you don't, if you are not capable of a dream, of that dream, God will never have like willing to trust you with that dream. So you must be capable enough first. You have to make yourself that much powerful that you have to show to the God, to the universe, that you are ready to accept more. You can handle it. You can manage the people around you. You can spread more positive energy. You are the deserving one. You can handle the pressure when the dream comes alive. You can handle it all by yourself when it comes. You have to be capable enough to have that dream, then only you will have that. So this was that positive value which I wanted to share with you today. I hope you are having a great day, and I hope you had an amazing Thursday today. It is 28th of May, and on 30th of May I have my paper, Computer Organization and Architecture. So keep working hard, and keep balancing your life between your hustle and your personal life, and just keep having fun in your life. Keep hardworking, keep having the discipline, keep having the consistency, keep having the patience. Everything which you deserve, you will get it soon. One day, it'll take some time, but you'll get it. Definitely you'll get it. So never give up, and keep hustling, keep working hard. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.